Everyone thinks the best-selling tin snips are automatically the best ones. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Hurricane 10-inch Aviation Snips. First up, we have the Hurricane 10-inch Aviation tin snips priced at just $16.92. Honestly, what caught my attention was the price and the promise of precision cutting. If you want a reliable tool that handles sheet metal and DIY projects well, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. These snips are designed for clean straight lines and can handle materials like 20-gauge cold-rolled steel and 22-gauge stainless steel. That means if you're working on HVAC ducts or gutter repairs, you're covered. Plus, with over 3,000 units sold in the last month, it seems like people trust this tool for their projects. Now, some people complained about the blades being not suitable for harder materials like thick rods or hardened steel. Here's the thing though, if you're mostly cutting sheet metal or aluminum, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. Just know what materials you're working with. This is perfect for you if you're a DIY enthusiast or a homeowner looking to tackle some repairs. Skip this one if you need a heavy-duty tool for industrial applications. For $16.92, it's a solid value for the average user. Now, if the limited cutting capacity of the Hurricane Snips bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with a multi-tool set. Product number 2, Hurricane 3PC Aviation Snip Set. Next, let's take a look at the Hurricane 3PC Aviation Tin Snip Set, which sells for $32.08. This set caught my eye for its complete versatility. If you want a set that can handle all types of cuts, this is worth a serious look. Why is this important? You get 3 different snips, one for straight cuts, one for left curves, and another for right curves. This means you can master various tasks with ease, whether it's working with sheet metal or aluminum. It's capable of cutting materials like 20-gauge cold-rolled steel, which is great for HVAC or roofing projects. Plus, the ergonomic handles reduce hand fatigue, making it easier for longer projects. However, some users mention that the grip size might not fit everyone comfortably. Here's the thing though, if you have larger hands, you might need to be mindful of that. But overall, for most users, this set is a fantastic tool to have. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a complete kit for various cutting needs. Skip this one if you want a single-purpose tool. For $32.08, it gives you great value for versatility. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for precise cuts. Product number 3, Midwest Left Cut Offset Snips. Now we've got the Midwest Aviation Snip, specifically the Left Cut Offset model. Priced at $36.62, this tool really stands out for its unique design. If you want to make long cuts and trim cuts more efficiently, this is worth a serious look. The offset design is perfect for getting into tight spaces and making precise left cuts. Plus, the blades are hot drop forged of molybdenum alloy steel, which means they're built to last. Cutting through 18-gauge cold-rolled steel with 20% less effort is a big plus for anyone doing heavy-duty work. It's made in the USA, so you know you're getting quality craftsmanship. Now, some users pointed out that these snips might be a bit heavy for prolonged use. Here's the thing though, if you're making heavy cuts, the weight gives you the leverage you need. Just be aware if you're looking for something lightweight. This is perfect for you if you're a professional or someone who needs to cut metal regularly. Skip this one if you primarily work with lighter materials. At $36.62, it's a worthwhile investment for serious users. Next up, if you found the Midwest Snips a bit heavy, our next product is designed for comfort without sacrificing performance. Product number 4, Bosi 8-inch Straight Pattern Snips. Next, we have the Bosi 8-inch Straight Pattern Tin Snips, priced at an affordable $12.62. What surprised me was how well they perform for the price. If you're looking for an economical option without skimping on quality, this is worth a serious look. These snips are made from high-carbon steel and are drop-forged and heat-treated for durability. They are designed for straight and wide curves, which means they can easily handle sheet metal, wire fencing, and even leather. The non-slip handle is perfect for users wearing gloves, making it a practical choice for diverse projects. However, some people mention the sharpness dulled quickly after extensive use. Here's the thing though, if you're a casual user doing small projects, you might not experience this issue. Just keep that in mind if you're planning to use it frequently. This is perfect for you if you're a DIY handyman or homeowner doing occasional repairs. Skip this one if you need a tool for heavy daily use. At $12.62, it's a fantastic value for light to moderate tasks. Finally, if you're looking for a professional-grade option, our last pick has everything you need for precision and durability. Product number 5, Klein Tools Aviation Snips Kit. Last but not least, we have the Klein Tools 80,198 Aviation Snips Kit priced at $38.71. This kit really impressed me with its professional build quality. If you want a reliable set of snips for serious projects, this is worth a serious look. This kit includes both left and right cutting snips, allowing for precise curved cuts and efficient sheet metal trimming. The serrated blades are forged from heat-treated steel, which means they can handle 18-gauge steel with ease. The self-opening latch makes it easy to use with one hand, which is a huge time saver. Plus, the color-coded grips enhance comfort during extended use. Some users did note that the handles can be a bit tough for small hands to grip comfortably. Here's the thing, the design is aimed at professional users, so if you have larger hands, you'll likely find them perfectly suited. This is perfect for you if you're a professional or anyone who frequently works with metal. Skip this one if you're just doing occasional home projects. For $38.71, it's a solid investment for durability and performance. To wrap things up, we had the Hurricane 10-inch Aviation Snips for budget-friendly precision, the versatile Hurricane 3 PC set, the robust Midwest left-cut offset snips, the economical B. Bosey 8-inch snips, and the professional-grade Klein Tools kit. Each of these tools has its strengths, so consider what fits your needs best. Happy cutting!